The right gadgets can make life easier, safer, and more comfortable for seniors. Imagine walking confidently without worrying about balance, getting in and out of bed effortlessly, or even enjoying a soothing leg massage after a long day. These smart tools are designed to boost independence, reduce strain, and improve everyday life. Whether it's mobility aids, comfort-enhancing tools, or vision-friendly devices, these gadgets can help seniors stay active and enjoy life to the fullest. If you or a loved one want to make daily tasks easier and more enjoyable, you won't want to miss these must-have senior gadgets. Let's dive in and explore the best ones that can truly make a difference. Walkers for seniors. The walker for seniors helps people stay balanced while walking. It is lightweight, strong, and easy to move around. It has adjustable height settings for personalized comfort. The handles have rubber grips, making them easy to hold. The legs have non-slip rubber tips for extra stability. It is foldable, so storage and transport are simple. It is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, allowing seniors to walk safely anywhere. It reduces the risk of falling and makes walking easier. It provides independence by giving users the ability to move without needing help. Many seniors find this walker helpful in their daily activities. It is a must-have for anyone needing extra support while walking safely. Electric wheelchair. The electric wheelchair provides freedom for seniors and people with mobility challenges. It has a strong motor and a long-lasting battery, making movement easy and worry-free. It has soft cushions and armrests for comfort during long use. The controls are simple and smooth, allowing easy navigation in any direction. It is foldable, making storage and transportation convenient. It works well both indoors and outdoors, offering flexibility for different needs. It allows users to travel independently without relying on others. It is designed with safety features to prevent tipping and ensure stability. It provides a comfortable and practical solution for daily mobility. It improves quality of life by helping users stay active. It is a reliable choice for independent movement. Leg massager. The leg massager is an excellent device for improving blood circulation and reducing pain. It is perfect for seniors or anyone experiencing leg swelling, soreness, or poor circulation. It has multiple intensity levels, allowing users to choose their preferred massage strength. It also includes a heat therapy option that provides additional relief. It is easy to use. Just wrap it around the legs and turn it on. It gently massages the muscles, helping users feel relaxed and comfortable. Many people use it after long hours of walking or sitting. It is a great way to relieve leg discomfort without professional therapy. It helps users relax at home. It is a must-have device for anyone needing daily leg relief. Electric raised toilet seat. The electric raised toilet seat makes using the bathroom easier for seniors and people with mobility issues. It lifts and lowers with a simple button press, reducing strain on the knees and back. It is designed for comfort, featuring soft padding and a durable frame. It fits most standard toilets, making installation easy and hassle-free. It has simple controls, making it ideal for seniors with weak hands. It helps prevent falls and ensures safer toilet use. It is especially beneficial for those recovering from surgery. It promotes independence by reducing the need for caregiver assistance. It is a practical solution for improving bathroom safety. It provides users with the confidence to use the toilet comfortably and safely. Portable wheelchair ramp. The portable wheelchair ramp makes moving over steps, curbs, and doorways easier for wheelchair users. It is lightweight, foldable, and strong, making transport and storage simple. It provides a smooth surface for wheelchairs, walkers, and scooters. It is made from high-quality materials that support heavy weight. It features a non-slip surface to prevent slipping, even in wet conditions. It is useful for both home and travel, making accessibility easier. Many people use it to improve mobility at home, work, or public places. It is easy to set up without needing tools. It provides stability and convenience for wheelchair users. It is a must-have item for anyone needing an easy access solution. It offers freedom and independence. 10x magnifying glass with light. The 10x magnifying glass with light helps people see small details clearly and easily. It is ideal for reading books, newspapers, medicine labels, and small text. It is also great for hobbies like crafting, stamp collecting, or jewelry inspection. It has a built-in LED light that brightens the area, making everything clearer. It reduces eye strain and helps seniors with weak eyesight. It has a comfortable, strong handle that allows easy holding. It is made with a high-quality lens that provides a sharp and focused view. It is lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It helps seniors maintain independence by improving visibility. It is an essential tool for anyone needing better vision. It is a simple solution for clear sight. Wheel mobility scooter. The wheel mobility scooter allows seniors and individuals with mobility issues to move around easily. It has a powerful motor and a long-lasting battery, making travel convenient. It features an adjustable, comfortable seat for extra support. It has user-friendly controls that allow smooth navigation. It is lightweight and foldable, making storage and transport easier. It is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, providing flexibility. It helps people visit stores, parks, and friends without assistance. It provides independence, reducing the need for caregivers. It allows users to stay active and engaged in daily activities. It is a safe and comfortable mobility option. It is a great investment for anyone needing help with daily movement. Bed rails for elderly. The bed rails for elderly provide extra security and stability for seniors while sleeping. They attach easily to most beds, ensuring a secure fit. They help prevent falls and give users support when getting in and out of bed. The handles have a soft, non-slip grip for comfort. They are made from strong and durable materials for long-term use. They're useful for people with weak muscles or those recovering from surgery. Some models have storage pockets for convenience. They improve confidence by allowing seniors to move independently. They are a practical addition for safety and peace of mind. They provide better support while sleeping. They help caregivers ensure their loved ones are safe every night. Compact folding walker. The compact folding walker is a strong, lightweight mobility aid for seniors needing extra support. It has an adjustable height, making it perfect for different users. It is easy to fold, making it convenient for storage and travel. The handles are designed for comfort and provide a firm grip. The legs have non-slip rubber tips for added safety. It is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. It helps seniors walk confidently without the fear of falling. It improves stability and allows for independent movement. It is great for shopping, exercise, or everyday walking. It is simple to use and easy to carry. It is an excellent choice for seniors who need mobility assistance. Bed wedge pillow. The bed wedge pillow provides support for the back, neck, and legs while sleeping or resting. It is helpful for people with acid reflux, breathing problems, or back pain. The angle design improves posture and relieves pressure on the spine. It is made from firm yet soft foam for extra comfort. It is great for reading, watching TV, or sleeping more comfortably. It helps reduce swelling in the legs by improving circulation. It is useful for people recovering from surgery or injuries. It provides extra relaxation during rest. It is a simple but effective way to improve sleep quality. It is a must-have for anyone needing additional support. It makes sleeping and resting much more comfortable.